When looking at getting the house redeveloped and done up, I looked at various products, and I've had hydraulic lifts before and I didn't like them. The other option was a sort of stair lift. It makes your house look like a hospital.
It just means freedom. It means I can go up and downstairs, I can bring things down myself.
We really like the fact we can use the remote control to send it up into the upstairs when we're not using it.
I don't have to lift heavy cases up and down stairs when we go on holiday anymore.
We didn't want to spoil the look of the house, and that's why we went down this and chose this one.
We don't anticipate we will ever have to move house again.
And having the Stiltz lift that just plugged into the wall, yeah, there was no choice really, it was just go for Stiltz straight away.